pups are now 7 weeks old. My name is Rochelle. Thanks for checking out Dancing Sky Lab's 7-week Pupdate. Many of the pups are just 1 week away from being welcomed to their new families. We sure will miss them all, but we're so excited for them to start building a lifetime of memories with their new families, as we've built so many memories with our labs. Wanting to continue to introduce the pups to new experiences, we took some of the puppies with us to pick wild blueberries in Beltrami Forest. The weather was perfect for picking, snacking, and even a little afternoon nap. We've continued to charge the clicker, making sure they associate that audible click with a reward. We also began crate training. When it's time for bed, we distribute the pups between 2 crates. This helps train them to be comfortable sleeping in a crate, but also to hold their bladder through the night, with us giving them potty breaks throughout the night while they're learning. This week, they also had their first vet visit and round of vaccinations, and they've also completed their personality tests. Fun fact, did you know that puppies sleep between 18 to 20 hours a day? Those waking hours, though, they sure make them count. Here's a growth update for all puppies at 7 weeks old. Thanks for watching the Week 7 Pupdate. If you'd like more info about our labs, visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow us on Instagram.